Hey folks, Ash here from DroningON Live, and I'm just finishing an edit that I'm rendering right now to go live shortly, and it'll be a premiere, so look out for that one. But in the meantime, I just thought I would talk a little bit about giveaways. Now, giveaways have always been a rather interesting topic on YouTube because they can be very, very positive for building subscribers. On the other hand, they also have a tradition of building subscribers that don't really have a lot of commitment to your channel because you run a giveaway, you say you have to subscribe, people subscribe, when they lose they unsubscribe. And that's obviously not really great. However, if you look at your statistics in your YouTube studio, you will notice when you look at your subscriber versus non-subscriber views that probably, I would imagine, about between 70 and 80% of your views are from non-subscribers. That's people finding your video, looking at it once and thinking that was useful, and then that's it. They don't think about your channel ever again. There's also another group of people who watch your videos all the time, but they've not thought to click subscribe, or they don't even have a YouTube account. So it's all about retaining your audience and trying to capture that audience. And once they're subscribed, of course, they then get notifications. And it's just more of a commitment to your content and your channel. Now, running a giveaway and saying you must subscribe, I think that's the least you can ask for when you're giving something away for free. And if people do unsubscribe, then they didn't really care about your content in the first place. But you'll find that after a giveaway, the majority of those subscribers remain subscribed because they've been watching you for years. They've just never thought to click subscribe. And that's actually really common on YouTube. So if you are looking to build your channel and you know that you've got a high number of subscribers and non-subscribers where the majority of your views are non-subscriber views, run a giveaway. Now, it doesn't have to cost you a lot of money. You don't have to personally package a box up and take it to the post office and send it out. All you need to do is think of the retailer that you want to use that can send pretty much globally. Of course, look at your target audience. I know that the majority of my viewers are America, United Kingdom, and Sweden. And so I know that the retailer I'm using can definitely dispatch to those locations. And the majority of the winner most likely is going to be in one of those locations. If it's not, then I'll use a different retailer. Simple as that, if they don't ship to the winner's location. But I've run several giveaways over the years. I've given away a ton of stuff, and I basically choose the winner. I use a random selection tool on YouTube. You have to think about a way that involves the people a little bit to enter. If you just say, what's the answer to this question? Then all they do is look at the comments that are already there and they just copy and paste. That doesn't take any effort. And it's, why the hell should you let someone have something for free when they've actually made no effort to listen to the instructions or to participate properly? So think of something that's going to add a bit of interaction, a bit of effort in how they enter the competition. Then use a random comment selector. There are tons of them on YouTube. That will select your winner. Then validate that that winner has entered the right answer, in the actual comment that they've posted. You can also check that they're subscribed. And then once you've done that, you need to announce the winner. Now, you won't know their address or their telephone number until they've replied to you. So make sure you state in the competition that if they don't respond within a week of being announced, that you'll choose another winner. And I do that as well. I've never had to do that because people have always rushed to claim their prize. The only time actually I did do it is where the winner contacted me and said, actually, I don't need this, give it to somebody else. And so I chose another winner. And that was really nice of them, actually. But again, it doesn't have to be an expensive product. If you look at websites like banggood.com, there are drones on there like the Eachine E58, which is a brilliant starter budget drone. And it's like $50. Now, if you run this giveaway and this video gains you 1,000 or 10,000 views or 5,000 views, even 1,000 views, and it gains you 50 subscribers or 100 subscribers, then that $50 is nothing, because it means you've got access to a whole new audience of people who like your content, hopefully, and want to watch it, even if a few of those subscribers drop after you announce that they haven't won. But I highly recommend giving this a go. If you've never done a giveaway before, do it. Now, you don't have to use a retailer. If you're happy to go to a post office and dispatch something globally, potentially, or you could isolate it to a certain audience. So you could say that this is only for US entrants, but that does alienate some of your audience. So I wouldn't recommend that. then you can give away something you own. Say you've got an old drone, an old Mavic Mini, and you can afford to give it away, then do it. Package it up, post it off. Just make sure the terms and conditions are clear in your competition, that this is a product it's yours, it's been opened. You don't send it out with a warranty or any guarantee, because you don't want the winner, next thing you know, he's claiming that there's some dispute and it didn't arrive when it didn't work when it arrived. Oh, my monitor turned off. Anyway, I better get this video ready to premiere because it's going to go live shortly. Hopefully this is useful and it gets you thinking about ways to increase your viewership of the channel. And if you need any help or ideas with giveaways, just comment below. This is DroningON Live anyway, the raw, uncut footage from the main DroningON channel, where you'll see just videos like this shot with my mobile phone, sat on an Osmo Pocket, whilst I'm just doing things right now like editing. So if you're up for that kind of raw content, hit the subscribe button. Anyway, thanks for watching, folks. Enjoy the premiere shortly.